Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Python 3.13 on AlmaLinux 10. First, keeping the system updated ensures compatibility during the build process. Python 3.13 requires several libraries and build tools. Now, install the necessary packages. Next, install the development tools group to provide compilers, linkers, and other utilities required for building software. Then, verify that GCC is available. Next, download the Python 3.13.4 source code. Then, extract the archive. Continue to navigate into the extracted directory. Next, configure the build with optimizations and shared library support. Now, install Python without overriding the system version. After that, verify the installation. Next, run Python. Continue inside the Python shell. Test basic functionality. You can also install Python packages using PIP 3.13.